Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you. I not me. So I asked you previously the question regarding to uh, it's a insert data problem. So I asked around in YouTube, not YouTube, Reddit. In Reddit, one user gave me a solution regarding to that. Where's the username? It's scary underscore sleepy what's the underscore 8473. That's guy give me the answer, so I use that answer to get the my report properly. These are the problems. So, for example, if you selected copy and if I can able to do it within under 10 minutes, it's awesome. So, it's depend on my computer speed. Data query, sorry, from web. Okay, these are the only thing is getting delay in my video. So because my laptop is really old one, so okay, it will take time. I think. For example, I just copy and paste the link. You will get the answer, but not the exact answer you're going to get it. So by default, which drop down and selected over here, that's only you are going to get it. That means CSE all stock. For me, I like to get the Sri Lanka all stock that one. So if you select this one by default, it's a 896 something, 800 something like that. You get the results for is a all stock is going to get a 309 result. So I'm going to show you the difference. It's loading. It will take time. It's not going to take a time, but unfortunately my system is really old. That's why it's taking time. So I'm going to explain to what's it. In here, he changed everything in URL over here. So I asked it USA stock how to get it. So for me, I had to change it in our country site. Like in here, I recognize the SMLID equal 800. So the same SML ID is, I found it and when I what do you call um, uh, go through the coding, so there I find out that that's a coding ID number for then I came here, I changed it here to our country code where you going to find it this one which area you living your, for example if you are going to live in India, maybe in website you have specific code. Like for me, I'm going to say how do I find out the 800 to our country code. Here 895 records there, so close it. For me, I don't want that record. I need to get the old record. For example, here I don't think you can find the Hella. The Hella record you can't find it over here. Um, okay, GLA also not fine. So okay, now I'm going to use it. The code from what we call Reddit. Go here, data, web, advanced. From here, I had to change it over here. So 800 now. For 800 to here. So where you going to find it? Right click. In fact, Control F says SML ID. So it will be a 4 here, SML ID. So I'm going to search it. SML ID over here. Input type hidden ID, SML ID value 621. So I'm going to use it 621, the code number. So over here 621. If the website investing.com change that ID in future, then I had to find out again and I had to change it out. Delete, I don't want it. From here I need to change some what you call so he already gave me that one also. Over here ready to put here X repeat with okay, and I'm going to just paste it, and again over here XLMR repeat request. That's it. I didn't do anything, so all what I had done over here, so it's all about using this answer, no? So scary sleepy, that guy, really thanks to him. So thank you Reddit community. So I just search around my friends everything, no one know how to sort it out this problem. So unfortunately I just paste out I just paste out all the forums, everything we have, no answer. Finally I got the answer from Reddit. Thank you Reddit for that. Okay. Okay, over here you can able to see it. So by default I think it's a table one over here, load to 304. I don't think it's a 304. It's unfortunate. Last time I checked it 309. One error message is not a problem. So which numbers come with the plus and minus? It's the same. So for that I had to edit that. Look at that, hello April. Over here, from here you can find the hello April. Then sheet number, let me delete that. Sheet number 2 you can find it. Sheet number 3 you can find the hello April. So these are things I like to do it. For what's the error, so only drawback is the error. So let me show you what's the error. It's a plus and minus same time. So here plus and minus 2.9 percentage something change. So there's a percentage. So I don't know how to change it that one. So for that I think we had to do something over here, otherwise advanced editing. So advanced edit, maybe we had to do it from here. So I don't know exactly. So in future if I know how to sort it out that problem, I'm going to make it another video how to change it. If the okay, I hope you guys learned something from this. So if there any problem you are facing, so if you ask your friend, any colleague, if they know, don't wait for the answer to come to you. So go for it, go to the internet. I'm highly recommended the Reddit now. So I had to change it unsolved to solved. So I don't know how to do it. So it's the first time I'm using. First time I got the answer. So I asked it to that one, but we call United States. So after that, I can't ask it to our country, no. So everybody know USA. So they replied to me. So I asked what's a these are the error meaning. They said plus and minus. Okay. For me, I got the answer, but I'm happy with that one. So it's not an issue here. So you can find it which cell has a change. You can find it over here, blank cells. the nation trust doesn't have any value here because of that blank cell. So in there you can able to delete this one and delete everything. You can change it as you may already knew about my previous video how to delete change everything. Okay, thanks again Reddit community. So community, I think it's a Reddit Excel community, and scary underscore sleep underscore 8473. Thank you. I hope you guys learned something.